The lights at. Got head movement versus combinations. Which one's going to win? All right. There you go. Angles, angles, angles. There you go. Just waiting on it. There you go. Roll them, turn them. What you gonna do, Courtney? All right. Sweep, turn. Just hitting the stationary target. Move. All right. Break. All right. Again. 2, 3, 4. There you go. That's the formula. There you go. 1, 2, 3, good. Get in there. 1, 2, 3, good. Get in, get out. 2. Good job, Courtney. Throw him some, throw him some. Movement. There you go, movement, movement. Movement, movement. There you go. 1, 2, 1, 2. The ropes, get out the court. You all right? Good. Good, good. Head movement, head movement. Both of you, head movement. Coming on, stay with him. Stay with him. There you go. Head movement. There you go. Head movement. There you go. Good, good. I'll walk in there. Good, good. That's good.